Hi, it's Jessica Lee. I'm with Regalix. I'm here at the SemiCon conference. I'm talking with Paul, who's the applications engineer at Festo. Paul, what does Festo do?
We provide pneumatic products and electromechanical products for industry, robotic control, pick and place machines, any products that you need to automate your process.
So is it a hardware and software, or is it just software?
Hardware, software, electric control, pneumatic control.
Okay, so for example, in a car manufacturing, like a Tesla factory, you have a lot of robotic putting the car pieces together.
We have many of our products at Tesla. We do a lot of work on the assembly line.
Okay, and you're a German company?
Yes, we're located in Germany. That's where headquarters, and we have the U.S. headquarters is in New York. We have manufacturing in Mason, Ohio, and we have an assembly factory here in Livermore, California.
Okay, excellent. So what distinguishes your company from other players in the industry?
I think innovation on new products. We have a division in Germany that is into nature. We develop birds and different products, and from learning from nature, we're able to develop products that can be used in manufacturing.
Okay, great. Yeah, I see you have fantastic demos here with the machines moving, throwing up balls and catching them and all that.
Yeah, all different. Some of these machines are real-life applications, and some of those that are throwing balls up are great attention getters, and it does a good job. So we usually try to have something up front that's a little different, catches everybody's eye.
And, we do a lot of marketing for tech companies in Silicon Valley. I'm curious to know, how are you getting leads now for your products? How do you...
Well, we have customers that we're always calling on, and we come to the shows here, and people come see our latest innovations, and they'll come up and talk to us about their projects that they've got going, and certainly we follow up on the contacts after.
Okay, excellent. Well, thanks for sharing about your company with us.
Thank you.